Hello. This is super fine glitter, and it can be used at any festive party that you want to use it at. If I can open it for you. Oh, son of a bitch. The motherfucking thing won't open. It's wonderful glitter. You use it. If I can open it, I will. The package ain't good, eh? Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Keep it together now. Don't lose the character even though the mustache is coming up. Oh, yes, here we go. Glitter. Non-toxic glitter for you. Anytime, anywhere you want glitter. You can use it for parties. You can use it if you're doing a fairy theme. Glitter is a festive thing that everyone loves. See if I can get a bit of a glittery mustache for the party this evening. A little glitter goes a long way, you know. Glitter on your cheeks is nice, you little glitter. What do you think, eh? I want to share the glitter with you. Now, this is only $59.95 a bucket. But the bucket will last you forever. So, I'd like to say that have some fun with the glitter and never run out of it, because glitter is for good for parties and for partying, and the women's like it. And everybody has a good time if you have some glitter on hand.
Hi everybody, good evening. This is Sue Ellen from Knots Landing. No, I mean from, what was my show called? Oh, Dallas. My show was called Dallas, and JR left me several times, and I just kept loving him and loving him no matter what. And a woman stands by her man, and I think that JR will always love me no matter what. And this evening we're looking forward to going to a high-class restaurant. You know how that goes. To have a little wine, to chill you out, make you feel good, and then by the end of the evening you know you ain't gonna get laid. So you gotta go find some more alcohol, whatnot, and then, well, maybe I can get in touch with Bobby or Daddy. Maybe they'll talk to me, and then I'll have a good evening. I'll just confide in maybe Miss Ellie. She's always been there for me, and I just tend to get all wrapped up in what it is to be a Hewing at the Hewing Ranch.
Hello, this is Elizabeth Swan, and I've whacked Captain Jack Sparrow, and I told him to come on, but he wouldn't. So now I'm on the island all by myself, and I whacked him, and Will and Mr. Gibbs. Hey, do you think you could get some of that wine in your fucking mouth, fuckhead Elizabeth Swan? I'm just a little bit drunk, and I think that everyone should get drunk with me. Come on, let's just come on. Let's just come on and get drunk together, because I whacked Jack, and Will doesn't want me anymore. So basically what's going to happen is I'll be stuck on this island forever. So come on, find the island, come on. Join Elizabeth Swan on the island of The lost, forgotten pirate souls. I'm just a pirate. 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 Fucking pirate.